Anyway, give me that Bro!
What?
This is how many you've been digging?
Yep.
Give me all the stones you have. Bro! Your inventory full?
Not yet.
You made some of that stone. Give me all the stone that you have so I can put it upstairs.
Apa? Balang rana.
Ha?
Baylang nanay ra. Yagto naman kara kag magdantaw natin.
Give me all the stone, ha?
Yep. Oh, found in stone.
Ha?
I found more redstone.
Oh, I thought. Give me the red stone. I'm gonna go put it upstairs.
Okay.
Never mind, just take the red stone. I'm gonna go get it upstairs. Take a minecart and get it.
Yep. And make more TNT to blow this thing up.
Oh, yeah. We need a lot of gunpowder, so we need to have creepers. Or find a dungeon. Let's find a dungeon.
Maybe. Still no diamond.
We have 8 diamonds already. That's a lot.
We need more diamond. That's why I'm...
Wait, you found diamonds?
Nope.
God. The double chest almost full.
Still no diamond. Ah, ikaw lang
You know when you find diamonds, I'm gonna
ikaw lang anay dyan. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for part 3.